Go. We're here to clean up, though, I'll tell you that. I got to tell you, this is a President's Day sale. Let me underline a word here. The word is sale. It's President's Day sale. The #1 most popular Dyson ever. Dyson's best-selling, back on Q. With how many? 2.3 million Dyson vacuums. The V8, Debbie Fedikoff,
yes.
is #1. Put it to work.
All right.
And we're doing something right now, in this moment, look on the bright side, that we've never done before. This is the lowest price for this pack-up that we have with not 2, not 4, not 6, but 8 extra tools. The whole shooting match is 5 easy payments of $60. It's never been done before. We're doing it right here and right now. We have the V8 ourselves. And by the way, the new and improved V8 means what, Debbie?
Yes, you get our latest detangling technology, so perfect
Boom.
for pet owners and anybody with long hair.
Okay, come on over here.
Yes.
Here's what you got to know. Because again, we've had this on before, but never at this price. Normally, what you get with the Dyson V8 is you get this, which is fantastic. The hair screw tool, no hair is going to wrap around this one either.
Right.
You get the crevice tool, that's great. You get the combo tool, which is a brush tool and a crevice tool built in one. That's 3. But wait, there's more. Stuff that might be really dug in like dirt. There's a stiff bristle brush. Soft things like a computer screen, a television, a lampshade, the soft bristle brush, it's coming along with it. The mattress tool, coming along with it. The extension hose, coming along with it. And to get over things like ceiling fans, the up top tool, which people love, love, love. Guess what? You're getting it all. It is a, what is that number up there? Is that a 6?
607.
Is that a 6? It's a 6. It's half price now.
Yeah.
It is literally half price.
Yep.
And you get, by the way, the wall dock as well.
Yes.
So charge that baby up and you are good to go. Come on in and pick this up while it's here. Love it.
Here, Rick, I need
by
you
the
to
way,
hold on. I
and
can't
when
do
you
my
get
left
this,
hand.
by the way, you now have the V8, which is how much more powerful, how much more runtime?
What we love about the V8, Rick, is that it's lightweight, it's powerful. You get up to 40 minutes of runtime,
Yeah.
and it weighs less than 6 pounds.
This is the one to get, by the way.
This
Because
is the one you want.
Look, I like the laser one. I like the $500 and $600 Dysons. We have them all on QVC. But day in, day out.
Right.
Right? If you want an extraordinary vacuum at an incredible price, get the V8, and this is called the V8 Extra.
Yes.
The detangling tool is here. You're using this on hard floors.
Yep.
You're using this
to pick up
pet
all
hair.
of the hair. You're using this on any floor surface, whether it's carpeted or bare floors.
Great.
It has tons of power. And what I love too is I don't have to do any adjusting. So as I move to this bare floor, I just keep cleaning. It's actually dusting my bare floor as I'm vacuuming because there are carbon fiber filaments on this cleaner head. And take a look at this, Rick. Not one hair is wrapped around, thanks to our latest detangling technology.
Look at that.
And we'll just do a little side-by-side comparison to show you our older technology. And we heard you. You asked us to give you detangling, and now look at what you're getting with the V8 Extra.
You have the V8 Extra. Call us 1-800-395-1601. Any V8, we'd love to hear from you. This is going to replace so many vacuums. And it'll go underneath things that other vacuums simply can't get to.
Right.
Cutting the cord, not the power.
It lays almost flat. Again, it's less than 6 pounds. It's really light. You're going to be able to vacuum overhead. I'm going to put that up top tool on. This is one of our favorites.
Which
and
you
one
normally
that
don't get.
Right, and same with this. You wouldn't normally get this soft dusting brush. They click right into place. Now, if I want to go ahead and clean up high, because it's so light, I can easily dust. Maybe it's the ceiling fan blades. Maybe it's the crown molding, the top of your refrigerator or kitchen cabinets, wherever you want to go. Maybe you want to dust your baseboards down low.
Hey,
you're going to be able to do that too.
This is a sale on the #1 back. We're down to 1 color on this item. That's it. We had 3, down to 1. Final quantities, big story here. The word is sales, and now
it's also a handheld.
Your ultimate handheld vac.
Absolutely. So now refresh the cushions before your company comes over. This is the hair screw tool. So not only does it have detangling technology, there's a motor in this attachment. So you're getting that added power. And again, because of that conical brush bar design, no hair is wrapping around.
Okay, you're getting them all. Normally you get 3 tools. We're giving you 5 extra tools here. We just showed you a couple of them, like the up top tool, I like that soft bristle brush. Down to 1 color, mount it on the wall, get the V8 while it's here. It's a $300 savings. $300, normally $600 to get everything packed up, because sometimes these tools, you know, they're not expensive sometimes. We're getting it all. Now, this is my favorite demo of all.
Me too, because when you look at the V8, you think, oh, that's a small vacuum. But wait till you see the power that this has. Remember, Dyson is the #1 brand when it comes to stick vacuum cleaners, and this is our best-selling model here at QVC. So wait till you see the power. This rug looks clean.
Your bin is clean.
My bin is completely empty right now, but let's put the V8 to the test, and this is exactly what we want you to do. When you get it home, please vacuum one more time with whatever you are using right now, and then take this out and go over the same area. You will see how powerful this is, how easy it is to use because it is so lightweight, and look at the beautiful groom lines and results that you get.
There's no way you're ever going to want a heavier vac. Raise your hand if you want a heavier vac. Raise your hand if you ever tripped over a cord, right? Watch this,
Here's
3, 2, 1.
the dirt ejector. Wait till you see that, Rick.
Great, look at that shot.
All
Every time.
of this was hiding in the carpet that we thought was clean.
It's free shipping and handling to bring home right now. Now the bin is clean again, and I'll come over here. Now this is one where I'm not sure that I even see any dirt here in this hardwood floor.
Exactly. So whether it's a carpeted surface or a hard floor, you can use this same cleaner head. This is our Motorbar cleaner head. And what I love is it actually has the capability to dust your bare floors. So it's going to pull out things that have settled in the cracks and crevices, but more importantly, it is dusting as you're vacuuming, so leaving you with shiny and beautifully clean floors.
Okay, now, was there anything there? Guess what? Let's
see.
find out. Find out if in fact there was.
This one.
By the way.
You don't even have to take that stick off.
Oh, you don't even take that off?
You don't even have to, no.
Oh, because usually you do, right? Boom. Look
at that. Oh my gosh.
How great is that? This,
so
your opportunity for you to pick this up right now, only from QVC. I love, love, love it. By the way, speaking of the tools, when you add the tools, they click into place like nothing else. The Dyson is the best when it comes to that. Nothing cheap about it. This is the lowest price we've ever offered for this. Now, what do we have here?
So we have flour. Flour can be sticky. So this is really going to show you that dusting capability. When we talk about these carbon fiber filaments,
precision,
they're not leaving any residue behind. So, you know, again, it's another way Dyson is saving you time as you're cleaning.
It's polishing the floor, Debbie.
Yeah, you're not having to do multiple steps either, Rick. You're doing it with one quick, easy pass. Look at that. And the other thing, too, while we're talking about...
There's no flour on the brush roll.
No flour on the brush roll.
That's crazy.
And nothing coming out the back of the vacuum because this has our whole machine filtration. And what that means is even when you pick up that microscopic dirt and dust...
I'm not sneezing.
Right. It's capturing 99.97% of dust and allergens as small as 0.3 microns in these 2 lifetime washable filters. So you never have to replace them either.
By the way, that filter, what you do is you take that filter out.
Yep.
And then dry it out. Right? Every once in a while.
Dry it completely, and it just pops back on. Same with this guy here.
Okay. Final quantities. Here, we're down to 1 color. It's $60 on a credit card. How about this? If you apply for a Q card right now, you get a $50 credit, immediate credit. That's almost one of those easy payments, a $50 credit. This is on 5 payments of $60. It's already a $300 savings. That would be a $350 savings. This is a great deal. This is, I made this whole thing happen. I negotiated the deal. I had nothing to do with it. Yes, so nice of you.
No, I have to say, Rick, I mean, I've sold Dyson for a while, and when I saw the 2 in the front, I thought, is that right?
Yeah,
I mean,
this is under $300 with all these extra tools on their #1 best-selling vac that has customer top ratings like crazy. Let's talk about the extension hose.
Yeah, so this, again, is one that you wouldn't normally get. Think about taking this out to the car. Now you can get way under the car seat. You can clean those mats. This has so much power.
Great car vac.
Great car vac. But you can also, you know, just use the combination tool right on the machine itself.
But you're getting.
Here, clean up the spills in the kitchen, right? Crafting. Look at the power this has. Now, I'm using it on the regular mode. I can slide it over to max mode if I want even more power.
We started with 25,000 of these. You brought them in. We sold 25,000. Wow, that's amazing. And there's 5,000 now remaining. Down to 1 color. We brought it in. Can I do this demo?
Yes, please.
Because again, this is the
hair screw tool.
A lot of hair on there, right?
A lot of hair.
So pet owners love the Dyson.
Absolutely. And this has that same detangling technology that you are getting with our full-size Motorbar cleaner head. So again, you know, if you do have pets or you have long hair, this is really going to help you stay on top of all of that cleaning.
Nothing.
Not
Fantastic.
one hair.
And then switching one tool out for the next, no problem. Listen to this. They click into place. Click into place. Fantastic. So all there, all now, and now, my favorite demo of all. Why do I love this? Because I almost killed myself. I had a big, full-size vac with a cord. doing stairs like a idiot dad.
I've done it too, and let me tell you, it is, yes,
and almost, right?
it's hard to navigate
do that.
the cord, the heavy vacuum. Rick, you have about 4 pounds in your hand right now in that handheld range.
Look at that.
And look at all of the power. Look at how that hair screw tool fits perfectly on the risers as well as on the treads.
Love it.
So it just makes, if you only get this vacuum just for your stairs and your car, it's awesome, right? But the fact that it can do your entire home as well.
This is such a great deal on a great vac. This is not a great deal on a who's it, what's it vac, I've never heard of it vac, or it's the lowest end, or you only get one tool. Like, that's not the deal here. No, this is the #1 bestseller with ratings that are off the charts, and you get so many more tools for under $300. In fact, without any of the tools, when this first came on the market, this was well over, like, what was that originally? $469.
Yeah, with these 3 tools. That's how much it normally is.
$169. Take all the tools away, $169 savings. So in the last minute and a half, this is a rock star item. Are any more demos left?
Yes, let's go back over here. So we can do this, we like to call it the Dyson challenge.
Yeah.
Because I think
How
a lot
did this
of
magically happen? How did we just set this back up? We had a whole team.
behind the scenes
fantastic people.
Yes.
To put to hide dirt in here. That's what we just did. Okay, show it.
And what's great is, you know, this is real life because our carpets sometimes look clean and we don't see what's hiding in them. But the fact is the Dyson V8 Extra is going to find it.
1 minute.
Nothing in the bin to start. Let's go over the
Can
rug.
it be done in 1 minute? I'm not sure.
Yes,
Let's
we can.
find out, America.
This is quick and easy because, again, we're not having to plug in and unplug. We're not getting out something that's big and bulky and heavy. This is lightweight.
You know what? For a 30-day return policy, do the Dyson challenge.
Absolutely.
Like, bring this home with free shipping and see what happens. And you did it with 17 seconds to go.
There you go.
46794. Great job, great job.
Thank you.
Great job and a great item. The V8 is here. Star of the show, no doubt about it. Today's special value, Rockstar. And here's an update on the sheets in a little bit. We'll give that to you. Also let you know that the President's Day sale continues.